situation, let's communicate. With conversation, I don't wanna wait. I'm too impatient. Boy, you way too loud. I hate to check that, quit running your mouth. Oh, you never get that, I don't play around. Already did that.